Hi everyone, my name is Avais Kamran and I'm currently working as a tech lead. My core expertise lies in exploring progressive web and also ways to evolve it. I have a ranging and diversified experience in building products that have been used by thousands and millions. Let's just say I love building products that can be used globally and help reshape lives for the better. My other interests, which sprouted out of my post-graduation, is around exploring machine learning methodologies and also incorporating them while building self-aware and intelligent systems. I'm an active tech speaker and I believe the best way to push tech forward is through mentoring state-of-the-art solutions and engineering best practices. In the past, I had the privilege to mentor a diverse pool of students and professionals through e-learning platforms, one-on-one sessions, and team building workshops. It brings me great joy to announce my collaboration with DFT Trainings, who are bringing you advanced on-premise web development courses for those people who want to take a deep dive into full-stack web frameworks. So this message is for everyone who wants to be a part of the ever-evolving web market. Or if not just that, then you can just call it a summer of learning. So register yourself today and I'll see you soon.